Welcome to the fascinating realm of sustainable crafting, where creativity meets environmental consciousness. In an age where the significance of sustainability and eco-friendly practices is more vital than ever, the art of transforming scrap materials into beautiful, functional creations has emerged as a unique and rewarding path. This craft not only allows artisans to express their creativity but also contributes to reducing waste and promoting a circular economy. By utilizing discarded wood and metal scraps, crafters can breathe new life into materials that would otherwise have been overlooked, turning them into stunning items that resonate with both beauty and purpose. In this journey, you'll discover how the simple act of repurposing these materials can lead to the creation of captivating artworks and practical goods that not only meet the demands of today's discerning consumers but also tell an inspiring story. Join us as we explore innovative techniques for working with wood and metal, delve into the financial potential of this craft, and uncover tips for marketing your creations effectively. With each project, you'll find yourself not just crafting items, but also contributing to a more sustainable future while enriching your life with creative fulfillment. Let's dive in and see how you can turn trash into treasure. As we wrap up this exploration into the world of sustainable crafting, we invite you to stay tuned for more exciting content that inspires creativity and innovation. If you've enjoyed this journey into transforming scrap materials into beautiful crafts, be sure to subscribe to our channel for ongoing tips, tutorials, and inspiring stories from fellow artisans. Your support through likes and shares not only helps us reach a broader audience but also fosters a community passionate about sustainability and creativity. Together, we can spread the message about the value of repurposing and inspire others to embark on their own crafting adventures. Thank you for being a part of our community, and we can't wait to share more exciting insights and projects with you in the future. In today's environmentally conscious world, the idea of transforming scrap materials into beautiful crafts not only promotes sustainability but also presents a lucrative business opportunity. The art of crafting items from discarded or leftover materials has gained immense popularity, allowing creative individuals to express their talent while contributing to a greener planet. Both wooden and metal scraps, often regarded as waste, can be ingeniously repurposed into high-demand products, ranging from home decor to functional furniture. This movement takes scraps from their overlooked status and elevates them into treasured creations. One of the most appealing aspects of crafting from scraps is the potential for profit. With rising consumer interest in sustainable and unique home decor, crafted items made from reclaimed materials have found a strong market. Shoppers are increasingly drawn to products that tell a story, and items crafted from scraps provide that narrative. Each piece can showcase its unique history, making it not only an art piece but also a conversation starter. Entrepreneurs in this field can leverage this trend to establish a profitable business, offering customers one-of-a-kind creations that align with their values. Wood, a versatile and aesthetically pleasing material, serves as an excellent canvas for creativity. Scrap wood can be sourced from various places, including old furniture, construction sites, and even leftover offcuts from lumber yards. Craftsmen can transform these remnants into stunning items such as picture frames, coasters, and decorative wall art. By employing various techniques such as painting, carving, or even illuminating, artists can enhance the natural beauty of wood while ensuring each item remains unique. The craftsmanship involved adds significant value, allowing for higher price points and the possibility of artisanal sales channels. On the other hand, metal scraps present their own unique potential. Materials like steel, aluminum, and copper can be repurposed into functional and artistic pieces. From industrial-style furniture to intricate garden sculptures, metal crafts appeal to a broad audience. The durability of metal also means that creations can withstand various environmental factors, making them desirable for both indoor and outdoor use. By utilizing welding and shaping techniques, artisans can create striking and innovative designs that are not only practical but visually captivating. Moreover, combining wood and metal in crafts can lead to truly unique creations. The fusion of these two materials allows for endless possibilities. For instance, A reclaimed wooden tabletop can be paired with metal legs to create a stunning dining table that exudes rustic charm while maintaining modern appeal. This hybrid approach not only increases the aesthetic value but also enhances durability, making products more desirable and long-lasting. The crafting process also provides an excellent opportunity for skill development. Whether it's learning precise cutting techniques for wood or gaining proficiency in welding, creators can continuously refine their craft. This journey not only improves the quality of the products but also instills a sense of accomplishment and pride in the work produced. Workshops and classes can help aspiring artisans gain the necessary skills and connect with a community of like-minded individuals, further fostering innovation and collaboration within the field. Marketing these crafts effectively is crucial for success. Engaging with social media platforms can showcase the crafting process, highlighting the transformation from scrap to beautiful product. Sharing stories about the sources of materials and the creative process behind each item resonates with consumers who value authenticity. E-commerce platforms, local craft fairs, and artisan markets are excellent venues to reach targeted audiences and build a loyal customer base. Sustainability plays a vital role in the overall appeal of craft products made from scraps. As consumers grow more environmentally conscious, they actively seek out products that reflect their values. By emphasizing the use of scrap materials, artisans not only contribute to reducing waste but also advocate for a more sustainable lifestyle. This aspect can be further highlighted in marketing strategies, showcasing the positive environmental impact of each purchase. Financially, starting a business based on crafts from scraps requires minimal initial investment in materials, as often, these can be sourced cheaply or obtained for free. With creativity and skill, the potential for high return on investment exists. Moreover, as demand for sustainable products continues to grow, artisans can find themselves in a favorable position for growth and expansion. Networking and collaboration with other artisans can also amplify success. By sharing resources, such as tools or workspace, craftspeople can reduce costs and increase their capability for larger projects. Joint initiatives, such as collaborative workshops or pop-up shops, can introduce products to a broader audience while fostering a sense of community among creators. In conclusion, transforming trash into treasure is not just an artistic endeavor, it's a pathway to financial success and environmental responsibility. Wooden and metal crafts made from scrap materials offer endless creative possibilities, appealing to consumers' desires for uniqueness and sustainability. With the right skills, marketing strategies, and community support, crafting from scraps can lead to high profits while nourishing the planet for future generations. By embracing this craft, individuals can not only showcase their creativity but also play a part in fostering a more sustainable and eco-friendly world. Thank you for watching the video. We truly appreciate your time and interest in the world of sustainable crafting. If you found the content valuable and inspiring, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any future tips, techniques, and creative projects. Your likes and shares are incredibly helpful in spreading the message about the importance of repurposing materials and embracing eco-friendly practices. By joining our community, you become part of a movement dedicated to turning waste into beautiful creations while promoting a more sustainable lifestyle. We look forward to sharing more exciting content with you, and together, we can continue to make a positive impact on both our creative journeys and the environment. Thank you for your support.